Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. I invite you to join me in a seated position for today's session. So let's gently soften our gaze and close our eyes, hands in chin mudra on your kneecaps and sit tall. Let's take 3 purposeful breaths. Big inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, big and slow. Inhale and exhale. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. So we are going to do the cat-cow, but a little different variation to really warm up all of your joints, right? So you're going to first come into a tabletop, and the distance between your kneecaps is going to be your length of your forearm. Then place your elbows on your kneecaps. Then you're going to come up. This is the form. Then you're going to inhale. First look inside and bring your right knee inside. So start here. Then inhale, gaze up, and the leg goes out. Then again exhale in, inhale out. Yeah, so inhale, exhale, inhale. That's all right. Exhale, inhale, exhale. You can see it's not as easy. Inhale and exhale. Great job. Then that neck is down, then the other one. Yeah, so first start with inwards. And ready? Inhale out and exhale in. Inhale and exhale. It's good for your back. Inhale, exhale. Also to lose the belly fat. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Also for your neck. Inhale, last one, and exhale. So we're going to stay here and deep breathe here. Big inhale and exhale. Calm your breath. I'm sure you're feeling a little rapid heartbeat. Big inhale and exhale. So now we're going to do the wind relieving pose. You're going to lie down on the mat, right? It's called Pavana Muktasana. And you're going to bring your feet together, hands together first. So this is really good for gastric issues, for bloating, right? Calm your mind. Then you're going to inhale and bring your legs up first. Then exhale, bend them and place your interlaced fingers on your shin. Then inhale and you're going to bring yourself up and you're going to hold the pose, right? And while you're here, think about the benefits and try to look at your knees, right? So hold the pose, you're doing good. Then we are coming down. You're going to inhale, exhale, first neck down, then release your hands, then legs up, and inhale, exhale all the way down, hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Shake your neck from side to side. If you feel any tension there, always do the deep breathing. Now we're going to do the bridge pose, right? So bring your feet together, hands together. First we're going to do a movement to really strengthen your pelvis. Then we're going to hold the pose. So you're going to bend your legs, place it near your buttocks. Then inhale, body up, exhale, body down. Let's go. 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, and last one we're going to hold. So bridge pose is really good for anyone with thyroid issues, right? It stimulates your thyroid, for constipation, for arthritis, right? It strengthens your joints, and also for your immune system, which we all need these days. So this is really good one, and it doesn't have a counter pose. So inhale, exhale, slowly body down. Then you're going to let your legs out, hands apart, feet apart, and we're going to deep breathe. Shake your neck from side to side and deep breathe. Inhale and exhale. So the next pose is really good to calm your breath, calm your mind, right? So you're going to go a little closer to the wall, or you can keep a chair if you need to. Then you're going to move your legs all the way fully on the wall, right? And then you're going to bring your hands out fully like that and close your eyes. So as you can see, it's super simple. but really good for varicose veins, for hormonal imbalance, if you suffer from insomnia. Really, really good, right? To cleanse your body, to detoxify the blood, for anyone standing for long hours. Super simple, but you know, really powerful. So you're going to hold the pose, feel that nice blood flow coming down. In the beginning you might not feel it that much, but hold the pose with awareness and you'll start to feel, you know, it's not as easy as it looks. But of course, if you have your periods, please don't do things like this where the blood flow will be going in the opposite direction. Yeah, so in here you can close your eyes and enjoy your pose. So you're going to slowly bend your knees and then turn it to the other side, right? Yep, and stay here for a little bit because your blood flow would be, you know, going in the opposite direction. You don't want to get faintish. Then slowly you're going to come into Shavasana, hands apart, feet apart, and we're going to end the session, right? So remember, always do the cooling down after each pose and after each session because you don't want to feel your energies are too out of place. You can get emotional or you can get angry. With yoga, you need to really cool down well. So gently close your eyes and follow my lead. Let's take a big inhale through your nostril. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Visualize your shoulders and exhale. Great job. Gently bring your feet together, hands together, turn to your right side and come into a seated position. Let's say 5 positive affirmations. I am strong, I am kind, I am brave, I am calm, I am happy. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great job joining. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.